She feared associations for him with natures that were different from his, yet it is this contact which makes us men. He remained physically delicate, but this absence of muscular development had the advantage of preserving in him a charming beauty, an exceptional physiognomy without age or sex. He only understood what was identical with himself. His mother, whose reflection he was, and the vision of a woman he had created in his own image, whom he had not yet met but would one day love. He did have some young men of his own age who loved him ardently, but at 24, which was his age when his mother died, he'd grown weary of nearly all of them. Only one had remained faithful. Young Count Salvatore Albani, a young Italian, very different from Perrault. He had two things in common with him: passionate love of beauty and a devotion to the idea of loyalty. It was Salvatore who had dragged him away from his mother's grave and who carried him off to Italy.